Okay, so if I am going to do this recording that someone asked me for, so I want to show you guys how I did it. And I'm going to go here and I'm going to
Real
go to my
estate is
stories. And then I'm going to find the green screen that I want. It is not going to be this one. It is going to be this one. Nope. That one works too. Play with whichever one you want, but I'm going to go with this one this time. I'm going to add media and let's just go through and say I want to use this photo and let's talk about my fruit, whatever. So as you can see on this screen, it shows you can move it. I can move this. You can touch it, place it, resize it, rotate it, do the whole deal. And then you can just start recording your video, just like I'm doing here. So instead of me telling you how to do this video, you'll be able to pull this up and do this yourself, talk about whatever video or picture or whatever you want. I hope this is helpful.